Bonjour le monde, hello folks. This days we were in Rabat, we could stay at a traditional house, and now we're leaving in direction Casablanca. So it seems we're already in Casablanca, the White House. Casablanca, White House. Oh yeah, we will see. Now we try to find where we will stay. So I showed up 1.5 hours before I should be there, and he was busy on the phone for about 3 hours, or he's still on the phone, I don't know. I couldn't reach him. I sent him umpteen messages wherever I could. Nothing came back, so I had to book something new. Some nice people here, and now I'm in the middle of dirt and bullshit and whatever. I don't know where the heck I am.
سوف أخرج حيا ولا يذكر الإنسان أنا خلقناه الله أكبر الله أكبر We need some weed. I got some.
Good morning, people. Hello, folks. Now we're walking in the streets to Casablanca. Yeah, it was a little bit nasty. I got ripped off by booking. I mean, not by booking, but by someone who's supposed to have something on booking, but I never showed up. He took my money, but I couldn't stay somewhere, so I have to book another accommodation later in the evening. And yesterday I went through the town, made about 11 kilometers from one art gallery to the next. Everything was closed because it was Friday, or it's January, I don't know. Then I went to some other places, and today the weather is not fine, it's raining. The next days it will rain as well. But we will see. I just want to go to some other art gallery. I don't know if it's open or not. We will see. See you. And now we are walking through the streets of Casablanca, and Good morning, folks. Today I'm leaving. I tried to leave Casablanca, but it's not so easy. There's always stop and go, 100 taxis. Stop in the middle of the road, and my chain already snapped, so I had to replace piece. Now I'll try to go out of this city. We're going swimming! So hello people, hello folks. We're here in
Jadida.
Jadida, and that's my friend.
My name is Said. We meet here with this good man. His name is David. You know him, absolutely. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and so we met, and he was guiding me around the old town, and he's very nice gentleman.
Thanks so much.
Just if you happen to be here, don't hesitate to contact him.
Absolutely. Yes.
Maybe you can stay with him, or maybe not, or whatever.
Yeah,
but
absolutely.
it's really nice to be here and see the old town here.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, it was my big, and it will be, and it's my big pleasure to meet people from all over the world, and meet also this great man. Okay, because you know more than me, and I'm glad to know him. He told me some stories about travel and life, but he has more, a lot of things to say it.
Welcome to Morocco, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, bye bye, and welcome. Welcome anytime and anywhere in Al Jadida.
Thanks.